Good versus well. What's the difference? Good is an adjective. Adjectives modify nouns. The movie was really good. Movie is a noun. Well is an adverb. Adverbs modify verbs. My final exam is tomorrow. I hope I do well. Do is a verb. More examples. The food at this restaurant is really good. The adjective good is describing the food at this restaurant. This hotel has a good reputation. Here, good is describing the noun reputation. These flowers smell good. Note, we use the adjective good with verbs that describe our senses. Look, taste, smell, sound, feel. In our last example, smell is describing our experience of the smell of the flowers, not the action of smelling. Those cookies look good. They taste good too. Your plan sounds good. Let's try it. My team played well yesterday. The adverb well is modifying the verb played. German Shepherds are great dogs if you train them well. In this sentence, well is modifying the verb train. Mark was in my class, but I didn't know him very well. Well modifies the verb know. This video was made to support my blog post that covers this grammar in detail. At the blog post, you will find a quiz, audio answers to improve your listening skills while you test your English knowledge, and a free quiz PDF download that you can do anytime offline. It's also perfect for teachers to use in private or group English lessons. And don't forget the fun infographic. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.